Okay, this is what we have. Again, we'll go through our checklist. We make sure that this has got a lower degree than the one at the bottom. So this one has got 3, this one has 2. So we know that this is fine. And then now we just look at the factors. The factors are 3, and they've all been reduced to 1 degree factors. So this is fine. So we'll have we're going to have constants as numerators. So we can say now a x plus 5, okay? Then we have b, x minus 3, then we have c, x minus 1. Now here, we are going to focus on this, not the first one. So what do? We simply create a common denominator, okay? So that's 5. Common to all the factors, and then we have x minus 1. If you look at this now, we're going to divide this into here, and then we'll remain with those two. So it'll be a x minus 3. Then we get this and that, okay? So it's x minus 1. Then now we come in the middle, we'll remove this, and then these are the factors that will multiply with b. Okay, so we'll have x plus 5, and then we'll have x minus 1. Okay, then we'll have plus c. X minus 1 is the one that we'll miss, so we'll have x plus 5, and then x minus 3. Okay, so we're going to have a, and then we'll do the expansion for those two terms there, the two factors. So here we'll have x squared minus 4x plus 3. Okay, I think you must be experts now at this because we've made a lot of expansions in a lot of subjects now. Okay, so this is that one. So now we go on and expand this next set. Okay, so we've done the expansion for this section, and then we've done the expansion for that section there. So the next step is now to expand all the sections and then collect the like terms. So we're going to combine those two steps. Now we're going to say we expand and collect everything that's got x squared. So we're going to have a x squared. Okay, here we'll have b x squared, and then here we'll have c plus c x squared. Now notice that this I've left it out because this now would actually cancel with that. So my aim is to then come and equate this to what I'll get here. Okay, so now let's also get the terms with x. So this is going to be a, and notice this is minus 4ax. Okay, b will be 4bx, but positive. And then c is going to be c2x. Or 2cx. 2cx, yes. Then we have the constants. We're going to have 3a. Okay, we have 3a here. And then we have minus 5b. Then we have minus 15c. Okay, so now we can factorize. Here we're going to have a plus b plus c, okay, like that, x squared. Then we can have minus if we want. Shouldn't really matter, so I'll keep minus here. Then I'll open my brackets, and then I'll have this one becomes positive, 4a. This one becomes negative, minus 4b. And this one becomes negative, minus 2c. right? Then we also remember the x here. Then we'll go to the last ones. Okay, so that's going to maintain what it is here. Now notice this. This is the same as the first one. So we can say A plus B plus C equal to 4. That same constant, because this is irrelevant here. Because if I equate this term here with that term, the x squared is going to cancel out. So I go to the next term, 4a minus 4b, the next linear equation, 2c is equal to minus 3x here, and we had minus here, so this will be positive 3. Okay, or we can equate the whole thing, minus 4a minus 4b, 2c, then we equate it there. Now here, we didn't factorize, but we can see that the first term has got a positive, so the other terms are going to maintain. So here we're going to have 3a, okay, minus 5b, then minus 15c equal to 3. This is positive, so this becomes negative. Okay, so now you'll see that we have a system of equations with 3 variables. Now we did go through in terms of how to solve these. We used matrices, we used different methods, but for this one, you can probably focus on substitution method. So I'll present the answers to you now, and then we will represent as our partial fraction. Okay, so we get A is equal to 7 over 3, B is equal to 1 over 6, and then actually C, okay, actually B is equal to 3 over 2, and then C is equal to 1 over 6. Okay, so this is what we get once we solve this. And so now our partial fraction will become, now we have to be careful because these are fractions. So we'll have 7 like that, then 3x plus 5. Then we'll go B, which is 3 over 2, to x minus 3. Then we'll have C is 1 over 6, so we'll have 1 over 6 x minus 1. So this is our partial fraction.